my brain squad shit.
What's up, everyone? It's gonna be a cool day. We'll see what's in store. It's always a little adventure here. I gotta put this little people together. I'm Joel.
Aw, shit. These came out amazing.
This is Fuji GFX 50S. I love Canon, but this is medium format.
Yes. Oh my Jesus Christ.
He's probably the most serious face person you will ever see.
To the orgy.
A literal?
No.
What are you talking about?
It wasn't a literal orgy. By her definition, it was an ethereal mansion party where there might possibly, probably, would be open sex.
Thought the orgies needed to be documented with film cameras. So I would have just shot that shit and liquefied them bitches.
Liquefying your bitches.
Never stop liquefying my hoe.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, baby.
Only chocolate. Ash, my concern is that you have all these images, but they're not on a page. I agree with you. It's just the fact that something we could do.
Oh, it's not getting me to sing. The problem is getting me to stop.
Whoa!
You'll never know just how much I miss you. A million or more times.
We're here today with Stu T, the man, the myth, the legend himself.
wrong.
Ow, treat. But should be a lot of fun.
Take this one higher. Imagine there's a mirror and you're looking at yourself in the mirror. Just relax, get into your own zone. You can come close.
Come up a little bit to the
You got it. Come close to the yard, and that will give you. You're an artist, I'm an artist, and it's fun to do this.
I'm so curious.
Oh shit. I'm missing a girl.
This is Jasmine.
How are you?
We're shooting a music video for her tomorrow. It's gonna be super sick in a location in downtown LA.
It's big money.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah, that's the whole
You're
point.
a little thief.
That's the little
While I'm singing.
Yeah. Is this what you're looking for?
It is such a beautiful place,
Ignazio's Pizzeria, Brooklyn, Dumbo area.
I think she's changing. Is there a joint going?
Caffeine for the music video tomorrow. Like, Ash is gonna turn me into a personality. I don't know if I'm ready for that in my life right now.
Who can be the best person to teach you this? It doesn't need to prepare.
Hi guys, we're here at 838 Media Group. Boss man is here.
Kids, we just walked in.
Our friend from Russia. Indians and Russians are brothers. We're currently working on an exquisite music video which we're going to be shooting in downtown DTLA. That's one of our awesome editors, Justin.
झुकी झुकी सी नजर बेकरार है कि नहीं झुकी झुकी सी नजर तेरी उम्मीद पे ठुकरा रहा हूँ दुनिया को तुझे भी अपनी
What's up, everybody? It's Joel coming at you from 838 Media. Today we have Canon visiting, who's here, and will most likely, maybe, if we're lucky, give us some new equipment and cameras and lenses, which would be all so cool. There'll be a couple photo shoots going on today as well. Yeah, this is our inside of our studio, where you could say the magic happens. Our awesome stylist, Leilani. And an amazing choreographer, and just look at her, amazing all around. Like, what?
Thank you.
Yeah. Today you're gonna see some great ass content. Let's stay lit.
The legend is out.
Mark II, C200, whatever you can think of.
All Canon products.
For now, I'm gonna take you guys to sit in on the meeting with the Canon rep right now. See how Ash does his thing.
I've seen a lot of models transition because they
understand that.
well, and they can also get a lot of other models to come pose for them because they're all friendly and they, you know, they just kind of.
And he's been helping us with our
For vlog.
It's gonna be coming up, so
Yeah.
We're starting.
Filming like that is very popular to people because it's empowering.
Photographer extraordinaire.
He's gonna create.
This is how it is every day. That's where you guys do this.
Skin tones are really.
So yeah, that is
Keeping away secrets like.
Yeah, we're here to entertain and
Here's my Instagram.
yeah, for real.
Here's my
Lay it out there.
everything.
Yeah, put your fingers out there. We'll put them
Here's
right
my
there.
Instagram.
Okay.
Okay, follow me.
Yeah, I'm actually looking for the Canon Mark IV and Tuhan because he's looking for it. So, and for all you people that don't believe it, it does sometimes rain. They're in sunny California.
I mean, it's already done, right?
Yeah, we should be good. Sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches and the rain. Building shit. We are in Jason's car.
He's driving like a maniac.
Yeah, he's driving like he's gonna kill us, but that's okay.
Got out of hell.
Yoshi with this amazing individual.
Hello.
Get over myself. Walk down the alleyway too.
Walking around like a gas for heat lamp person.
This is how you make fashion on the go.
didn't bring a reflector home.
The only time it's ever been cold in LA is today. On it though.
You're gonna pull it to the light.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna push it forward.
Yeah.
And then you get on top of it.
Okay.
And then you're gonna start posing.
Okay.
Light is Jason.
It's coming. Okay. Yeah.
Start rolling it. Yes, let it. You don't have to be scared of it. It's not gonna hit you. Hopefully.
Now drop it. Yes, exactly.
Yes. Perfect.
Kill it, girl. Yeah.
Yeah. Now all you guys gotta do is tune in, check in on our channel when we start posting these videos, and you can see from our behind the scenes how we go to the fashion films that we're gonna be putting. So it's really, we're here with Danielle, Dinner Freeze to Death, and Jason, who is taking us back to the studio. Maybe he will kill us, maybe he won't. We'll let you guys know.